Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I will show you how I made this homemade granola. Please watch to the end. It's an easy recipe that you can make on your own without sugar, very healthy. And you can add whatever you want to add to it without being guilty of eating unhealthy. Okay, this is very easy, you can do it on your own. Please watch. Here I'll be using 1 cup of coconut oil, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, and honey. So you need to add honey according to the taste you want it. If you want it so sweet, up to you. So I'll be mixing all of them together to well combine. So remember, if today is your first time you see my video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Glatory on my Facebook page. Here I'll be adding the 500 grams of oats. I use the rolled oats to do this. So I added 1 cup of cashew nuts. So feel free to add any nuts of your choice, and almond nuts, 1/2 cup. Other dried ingredient will be added later. Then I'll be mixing all to well combine. So remember to like my video, comment and share. See, all well combined. Here I'll be putting it on my tray, spreading them to toast them to be baked for 10 minutes. So I think it will not fit, all will not fit on one tray, so I made 2 separate trays and I'll be toasting them for 10 minutes. This is an easy recipe you can try. For some of us who are trying to keep healthy and eat healthy, this is so easy. You can make it as your snack or your breakfast cereal. So here it's already toasted. I'll be adding other dry ingredients. This is cranberries, my dried cranberries and dried raisins. So, and my dried coconut flakes. So I'll be mixing all together, and again I will toast it again for 5 more minutes. This is so easy. I know you will like it when you do this. It's easy to snack on, so it's easy to use as a cereal. So try it, you will like it. At least you're sure of what is inside. It's very healthy to make your own stuff, to avoid all the things that doesn't supposed to go inside your body. So there's no addictive, no preservative, so you're sure of what you're eating. So I'll be baking it again for 5 minutes. Okay, all well done now. You can see this is very crunchy and I like the aroma that comes out from this. It's so sweet and so good. So hope you will get to try this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.